Make learning time fun time with
Kutuki
and Minku. Subscribe now.
बैठे बैठे साइंस करें। बैठे बैठे क्या करें, करना है कुछ काम। शुरू करें एक्सपेरिमेंट्स लेके साइंस का नाम। Rain, rain, come again. Make it pour with your friends. Ma, don't worry, we won't get wet. Here is what you must get. One clear glass, Papa's shaving cream, blue food coloring, water. Fill up the glass with water. Pour the shaving cream. Drop blue drops into the cloud. Rain will come. Wait and see. Wow! बैठे बैठे क्या करें, करना है कुछ काम। शुरू करें एक्सपेरिमेंट्स लेके साइंस का नाम। Growing a plant on your own is easy to do at home. We start with just a tiny seed. Here is what you will need. A cup or container, some loose soil, a few seeds and water. Draw on the cup, eyes, nose and mouth. Fill the cup with soil. Sprinkle in the seeds. Pour some water and wait and see. Our plant pal will grow to be tall and lean. बैठे बैठे क्या करें, करना है कुछ काम। शुरू करें एक्सपेरिमेंट्स लेके साइंस का नाम। Volcano, boil and bubble. Make it with me, it is no trouble. Be careful of the mess you make. Here is what you must take. Baking soda, salt, red food color, dish soap, vinegar, party hat, a glass or plastic jar. Cut the party hat to put over the jar. Mix the soda, salt and color. Pour the vinegar slowly into the jar. Volcano erupts all over my car. बैठे बैठे हम करें कितना सारा काम। Experiments ही experiments लेके साइंस का नाम।
If you had fun learning with Kutuki and Minku, don't forget to subscribe now and download the Kutuki app.